Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to create a menu for your Android application. For that, first of all, you need to open your Android Studio. After Android Studio is loaded, create a new project. Select an empty activity. Next, and give a name to your application. If you want to change your API label, you can change it from here. Finish. And Android Studio will start building your project. It will take some time to build your project. After the project is built, go to the resource folder, right click, new, Android resource directory, and choose resource type, menu, and then OK. On the menu, right click, new, menu resource file, and name your menu resource file. OK. And in here we want to create our menu items. So every menu item have an ID, title, and also the show type. So you need to define these three attributes for every menu item. So we can copy paste our other menu items and then change their ID, title, and also show type. Now open up your main activity, go to outside and create method. In here, press Alt Insert and write down on create option menu. The option menu method will be open. Change the return type from super.onCreate option menu to return true. Make an object of the menu inflator. Name whatever you want. We say inflator and equals to get menu inflator. And then inflate this inflator with the menu that we have created earlier. Inflator.inflate r.menu .main, and also we pass the menu to. Now that our menu is created, we need to add click listener to our menu items. For that, press Alt Insert and then on option item selected. In here we need to get the items ID in order to add click listener to them. So int ID equals to item.get item ID and switch to the ID, and then using the switch case method we will select and check which item is clicked. Case r.id.id1, and we will simply make a toast message and show it to the user when the item is clicked. And we will do this for all items. Now that our code is finished, we need to check if our code is working correctly or not. Now click home and it will display ID1 is selected. Watching. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell notification icon so that every time I upload a new video you get a notification.